Hey guys, today we're comparing Yunohost and Cloudron, two popular platforms that make self-hosting web apps a breeze. Let's break them down. Yunohost is a free open-source platform based on Debian Linux. It simplifies self-hosting with a user-friendly web interface and one-click app installs for over 230 apps like Nextcloud and WordPress. It's community-driven, privacy-focused, and ideal for hosting email, websites, or personal cloud services on a budget. You manage it via a web panel or command line, but it needs some technical know-how for setup and maintenance. Cloudron is a commercial platform with a freemium model, free for up to 2 apps, then subscription-based. It uses Docker containers for app isolation, offering a polished interface, automatic updates, and built-in security like SSL certificates and two-factor authentication. It's perfect for deploying apps like Mastodon or GitLab with minimal effort, and it supports backups and multi-user management. Now, let's compare. Yunohost is free and open source with a huge app catalog, but apps run without isolation and maintenance relies on community support. Cloudron's paid plans start at $15 per month, but it offers robust security, containerized apps, and automatic updates, making it more reliable for professional use. Yunohost suits hobbyists or small-scale projects needing customization and low costs. Cloudron is better for businesses or users wanting a plug-and-play experience with scalability and support. Both are user-friendly, but Yunohost may lag for large-scale or high-traffic sites, while Cloudron's costs can add up. So, Yunohost for budget-conscious DIYers, Cloudron for polished. You can self-host like a pro with either, but choose based on your needs. Drop your thoughts below and subscribe for more tech tips.